almost ready. Ms. Bajas, let us know when we're good to go. Ok, listos para bailar la canción fácil de Chucky, los niños de la clase preescolar.
Hey everybody, it's time to dance with your old pal Chuck E. Cheese. I've got a really easy dance. Anyone can do it. Are you ready? Check it out. Now listen everyone, I've got a dance for you. And it's called the easy dance because it's easy to do. It's really very simple as you can see. Just listen to the moves and then repeat after me. Shake your legs, clap your hands. It's called the easy dance and it's going around. Now put it all together as we break it down. Shake your legs, clap your hands. You're doing great. But wait, this dance is really fun and it's easy to do. But there's a couple more steps before we are through. Watch it play. Do a spin. It's called the easy dance and it's going around. Now put it all together as we break it down. Shake your legs, clap your hands, march in place, do a spin. That was awesome, you guys. You're doing great. But wait, we're really getting down. Yeah, we're working it out. Now there's a couple more steps I've got to tell you about. Shake your hands, hop around. It's called the easy dance and it's going around. Now put it all together as we break it down. Shake your legs, clap your hands, march in place, do a spin. Shake your hands, hop around. You're doing great. But wait, we're really cooking now and we're having fun. But there's a couple more steps before the dance is done. Wave your arms, touch your toes. It's called the easy dance and it's going around. Now put it all together as we break it down. Shake your legs, clap your hands, march in place, do a spin. Shake your hands, hop around, wave your arms, touch your toes. Woo! It's called the easy dance because it's easy to do. Woo! I guess this easy dance is a little more difficult than I thought. Don't worry if you didn't get all the steps this time. You can watch again and practice some more.
All right, let's give them a hand. Preschool, good.
Can't keep my thoughts to myself. Take up to some more, put them back up on the shelf. In case my little baby girl is in need, and we're coming out of left field. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. I've been feeling it since 1966 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. Let me kick it like it's 1986 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Got another mouth to feed. Leave it with the babysitter, mama call the grave digger. Run with the fallen leaves, and we're coming out of left field. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. I've been feeling it since 1966 now. Might have had your fill, but you feel it still. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. Let me kick it like it's 1986 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. We can fight a war for peace. Time to give a little to the kids in the middle, but oh, till it falls won't bother me. Is it coming? 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 Is it coming back? Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. Your love is in the best from my heart to eclipse now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. I've been feeling it since 1966 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still.
dirección de Ms. Castillo, Mr. Ceja, Ms. González y Ms. Zhang.
I'm just recording for now, and I'll crop the video. I did. Oh, I see Jason. It's right there. Open Jason. No, no, high up. Yes, it's right there. Look. 아까 하냐?
Jason!
Jason!
All right, parents, as the second graders load up, again, we want to thank you for turning in all library books. Library is now closed for checkout. So